Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change a crosshair in Marvel Rivals. Alright, it's pretty easy to do. Start by opening up the game. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and go to the cogwheel right here at top right. Tap on it. Then go to settings. Now, once you're in here, hover your mouse into these tabs right here. And go ahead and select a controller. Once done, under controller, you'll have the option to click combat. Alright, just click on it. And as you can see here, under HUD, you'll be able to change your crosshair. All right. If you don't want it circle, go ahead and select rectangle type. Click on the drop down and just go ahead and select crosshairs. All right. Once done, go ahead and then click on the plus sign for you to be able to have multiple options right here. All right. As you can see here, you have width, details, rectangle opacity, and the details of that, outline opacity, and the blur. Also the crosshair length. All right. First thing that I would want to do when changing a crosshair is that change the color itself right away. All right. I'm just going to change this one to maybe blue. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to the top right here, the width. You can just go ahead and use the slider right here. If you want it thick, go ahead and make use of this slider. Drag it to the right. Okay. Now the opacity right here is self-explanatory. All right. Outline width. Now, if you don't want an outline, just go ahead and make it 0. Okay. Right here, let's say, for example, the outline would be like that. You can go ahead and use the blur right here. If not, just leave it as is. Center gap is not available because we are using crosshair. Crosshair length right here. If you want to make it bigger, again, just use the slider. Crosshair angle. If you want to be weird like that, put it to X at 45. Now go back to the top. Now, if you want to save it, go ahead and click on Save as New right here and type the name. For example, X hair. All right, hit on Confirm. And for example, you wanted to upload someone's crosshair, you can go ahead and do so by just clicking on Import Save right here and put the rectangle code. Copy and paste it, hit on Confirm, and it will be listed right here at the drop down. Let's say, for example, I wanted to create a new crosshair right here, and I would like to use just a dot and then change the color to blue. And I'm going to hit on Save as well. Dot blue. Hit on Confirm. Now, if you want to change your crosshairs quickly, just go to click on the drop down right here and you have 2 options. Okay. That's basically how you do it. Nothing to click after that. Just go ahead and play the game and enjoy. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.